What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and tonight we're going to be doing a random name generator. Yeah, so we're going to be doing that. So, right, let's start. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, just subscribe to the channel and then like the video at the end. It just help you out. All right, let's just do a console. That background color, yeah, that would be nice, but we don't need that. So right line, line, and right here we're going to say, actually, we're not going to say anything here. So we don't need that, sorry. So we're going to say a const, we're going to do a string, and we're going to do chars. It's going to be equals, I already have my, the alphabet right here. Let me just copy and put it right here and pan, all right. We have our define variable right there. Now we're going to say a bar, we're going to say random equals a new random. We got it right there. C sharp already knows what we want, and then we're going to do the int for the length, length ght. So in here we're going to have a random length. Okay, so right here we're going to say, so we want it from 1 to 10. This is going to be random. This is how much is going to be the limits that we want. So when we generate this name, so what I'm trying to do is this: create a random name with this alphabet, with this string right here. So it will pick any letter. It will do the length. It's going to be random from 1 to 10. It might give me one letter, one name, might give me two letters as a name, three letters as a name, four, five, six, up to 10. Okay, so that's what it's going to do. So now let's do another int, another variable. We're going to say len2. Len2 is going to be equals, almost the same thing, because we're going to be doing a name and a last name. So now we're going to have a string random. Let's just do random2. This is going to be empty string right there. We're going to be random3, same thing. It's going to be empty. Oh man, I'm having a hard time. Let's just copy that and paste it right here. We should be good and good to go with that one. And then we're going to have a for loop in here. For loop. All right, no, that's what we don't need. Let's see. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We need our int. Then we're going to have our length. Okay, that's what we want exactly, because we're going to be using this right here, this random number. So I is 0, right? If it's less than whatever number is here, it will do the following code in here. So we're going to say int a equals to random next. Inside right here we're going to pass chars, because that's where we're going to be picking all the letters for the name. And then we're going to say length, bam, right there. And then we're going to say random2. We're going to add that to chars, that element add, and we're going to pass our variable right here. It's going to be a, boom, right there. Okay, so if we run this program, it should give us so let's just do this: console railane Okay, so random 2, yeah, that's what we need right here because that's where we're going to be getting all of that random letters for the name. So we can say right here, your first name is, so let's concatenate right here, boom, and let's run the program, and it should give us whatever random number for the limit. So it got 1. Your first name is Z. Okay, let's do it again. See, give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 9, 9 letters, like 9 random limit numbers for the length. So is that going to be a good name right here? I don't know. That would be a cool name. Wiki case t. Okay. Let's run it one more time. Akemir. Oh man, that's, what is that? That's a foreign name. Oh man, that's cool names right there. That would be nice to put your kid. KPHX. One more, and then we go to the next one. F. Okay. So what we do for the last name is going to be almost similar. So we can just copy the whole entire code right here, and then we're going to change the variable name. That's it. So we're going to set the length. We got length 2, right? And it's going to be the same thing. Maybe we can just do a B right here. Let's pass a B. B right here, and then right here we're going to do a number 3. Okay, because that's what we have right here. And then maybe just copy this one to do for the last name. Your last name is, and then let's do random 3. Let's run the program. It should give us the name and the last name. Your first name is Oxo. Oh man, Kelsalak. Oh man, that's kind of weird names. Sound like Indian names. P. Yeah. T. Oh yeah. See the random number for the length. It was right here 1. For the other ones, it was, for the last name, it was 4. Right. So because that's what we tell the program to do right here. This is picking the length, and then it's, and right here we are just getting all the the letters and passing it and printing it right here. Cool beans. Let's do one more time and then we should be good to go. All right, that's a cool name. First name is going to be Baikesha, and last name is going to be Baikvora. Oh man. But anyway guys, thank you very much for checking the video. Hopefully this helped you out. This is a pretty quick video about how to generate random names. Yeah, I know this is not the actual name, but you can change here and put actually a few different names. You can just do an array of names or something like that, and then you can just pass it, just do a random number and get all of those names. So just give you random names, right? But I wanna just to create this and see what we can get as a name, what it can give me. But anyway, so alright guys, you can just do whatever you want. Thank you for checking the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.